Meditation is of transcendence, where it burns without burning anything. It burns without fuel. That's cool fire.
Sadhguru, I'm Jabir from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm 29 years old.
Oh, just like me, huh? I'm sorry, please, Rini.
People are willing to take up all kinds of things to be cool, even when it's bad for them. For example, smoking cigarettes. Why is it so difficult to convince my friends that meditation is cool, though it seems to have so many benefits?
Oh. If something is cool, whole lot of people have this idea. Something is cool means it must be destructive also. No, what cool means is that no matter what kind of situation you're in, you're still well. That's cool. Hello? Yes! Life can throw whatever it wants, but you are the way you are. The way you are is not determined by what's around you or what somebody else is doing to you or what life situations are doing to you. That's cool. So, if you think cigarette or anything else like that is going to make you cool, all the best. You've got fire in your mouth and you think you're cool. Hello? Well, meditation is cool fire. It burns without burning anything because it's driven by transcendence, not by transaction. The nature of transactional world is such, if you have to get this, you have to burn that. You want light, you have to set fire to something. This is the nature of transactional life, this or that. Meditation is of transcendence, where it burns without burning anything. It burns without fuel. That's cool fire. Let's make it happen, huh? Your friends, your Nigerian guys, if they're not getting it, get them here, we'll make them cool.